Good morning, guys. It is Saturday, and I'm actually awake now. It's 11:02. I just got out of the shower, just sat down. I'm gonna start on some. Well, first I'm gonna start on the vlog and watching a couple videos and whatnot. But I'm gonna start on homework here in a little bit. I got a lot of homework to do. When I say a lot of homework, I mean a lot of homework. So I've got a lot of stuff to do. Do not know how long it's going to take me. So if you guys don't hear from me in a little bit, I'm probably either pulling what little bit of hair I have out, or I'm still working on my homework. So it's going to be a pretty long day. I've got this capstone thing. I'm going to get at least most of it done, and I've got to write a speech for speech class, and then got to start on a paper for history, start on a paper for English. It's just gonna be a long day. So try to get started on all this. Maybe it won't be too bad. Maybe I'll be like, get started on it and be like, this isn't exactly as hard as I expected. So maybe not. So we're hoping for the best, but seeing the worst as we look at the screen. So it's gonna be a long day. Not needless to say. Hey guys, I am on my way to get something to eat. It is 1:30. I got all my vlog stuff done, just started on some homework, so now I said I'm hungry, I'll get something to eat so I don't get distracted right in the middle of, working on homework. So I'm actually going to run to Unicoi, which is, it's roughly same distance from my house to Unicoi as it is to Johnson City. So I decided, there's a nice little diner there. I'm gonna call in some food, bring it back home and eat it, and just, relax. Today is my relaxed day because I know the next 2 weeks are gonna be extremely stressful. They call this week Dead Week, but I call it Hell Week because this is the week that I get everything done that I need to get done. So it's kind of ridiculous. But I'm gonna go get some dinner, or some lunch actually. I actually drove to Johnson City, go halfway to Johnson City, and said, there's nothing out here I can think that I want besides maybe Mexican food, but it's like $10 a meal, and I'm not going to spend $10 for lunch. So I'm going to go out here to Maple Grove Restaurant, get me a cheeseburger and some fries, and bring it home and just, eat a nice little meal. So that's what we're doing. And it is absolutely beautiful today. It's 59 degrees. I'm going to wash my car while I'm out here. They have this no-touch car wash or something. I'm just going to run it through it. I'm going to get the cheap one or whatever. I don't see spending the extra money for the big one right now. It's going to get dirty. It's winter. It's going to snow here in a couple of weeks probably. So why spend a lot of money to get the car cleaned when it's just going to get dirty again? I think it's like $5 for the cheap one. Why not? I don't feel like washing it myself. Lazy, right? Plus I don't have time today. So if you are wearing perfume, let me rephrase. If you're wearing so much perfume that I can smell you from at least 10 feet away, probably way too much perfume.
Pour you a drink, we'll toast to the end. Here's the scene of the crime. Here's the last goodbye. I'm finally over you. Here's to the nights I get, to the night you left. Pour you a drink, we'll toast to the end. Here's the scene of the crime. We live to die.
So anyway, yeah, there was this lady at that restaurant when I was waiting up. It took them forever to get my food. Pretty sure my food's cold and bad service. So anyway, got my food though. But anyway, there's this couple sitting, you've got the counter here, and there's a wall behind the counter, and it's not a full wall, but like a half wall, like a divider. And then there's a booth here, and then another booth. They're sitting at that third booth. And I can smell this lady's perfume, and I know it's her because there's no one else in the vicinity that would even have that perfume on. And it's obviously an older lady, and she, older ladies love this really strong, not really flowery, but like ammonia smelling perfume. It's like, oh my God, you're really wearing that kind of perfume. And then the one it's that old lady that always hugs you, and you smell like her for 4 days, even though you take 6 showers. yeah, that kind of perfume, and I could smell it. I'm like, oh my god, that's strong. So anyway, let's go home and eat some food though. Hey guys, I decided to go play some basketball. So yeah, I did some homework. Well, tried to do some homework. I did a couple questions. It's just, I don't like that assignment. Like, she hasn't gone over half the stuff that we need to do for those graphs. And so I'm just confused on how to do it. So I'm going to have to work with Lamar when he gets home. But I'm going to write my speech later tonight. And the English paper and history paper can wait till next week. So for right now, though, I'm going to go play some basketball because I need some physical activity in my life. Hey guys, I'm home from playing basketball. There's nobody in the house, so I can make as much noise as I want. And nobody cares. So, yeah, it's kind of why I want to be in my own house. Because I'm a very loud person when I'm by myself. I love loud music. I'm still thinking about putting better subwoofers in my car. So, anyway, I'm going to take a shower. That's really loud for a phone. Anyway, I'm going to take a shower and start back on my homework. Hopefully Lamar will be home and he can work on it with me. But I'm going to work on some take a shower, work on some homework. Parents are going to bring me back some Sonics. I asked them for Sonics specifically. Because Daddy needs some Sonic in his life. Not the hedgehog, but the food. I asked for a coney dog. I haven't had a coney dog in forever. I haven't had a hot dog in forever. So hopefully they will bring it back. So it's hopes and wishes right now. So anyway, I will see you guys after I get out of the shower. In a fantasy, I'm feeling like it's you and me. I'm feeling like you need to be a lady, a baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. I'm feeling like I need to be my baby, baby. Let me do it on your mind. Hey guys, so I'm out of the shower. I'm going to go work on some homework and Skype with Lamar and try to get some stuff done. So, shouldn't be too bad. I still got a couple hours left. So, plan on getting in bed a little bit early today. Hey guys, it is late. It is 1:35. So, yeah, all that about going to bed early, not going to happen. But I did, however, get some homework done. Nothing spectacular. Been singing that Frank Ocean song all day. I can't get it out of my dogged head. I gotta sit this down. I gotta fix my bed does this. Where I sleep in it, like this will be like this high, and then the other side will be like down to here, like all the way down to here. And I have to fix it every time. It bothers me. But as I was saying, I've been singing that Frank Ocean song all day, thinking about you. I've been thinking about forever. I'm going to talk to Trey and see if we can't get in the studio and me and him mix a new cover of that. So is that something you guys would want to see on my other channel? I know I'm still working on his music video. It'll be done before Christmas, promised. It should be done in the next couple weeks. Just after school's done, I'm going to work on it extensively and get it done. Hopefully we will have it done before Christmas. It just depends on how crazy things get here in this next month or so. Things are going to slow down here a little bit. This week of college is, like I said, it's going to be hell week. It's just going to be, everything's going to be like here or there, and I'm going to be vlogging less amount of times. I'm going to be honest, I'm going to vlog less because I will be stressed and working on homework 95% of the time that I'm not in work. So it's going to be ridiculous, no less. So I do need to get them my final schedule at work too. Just remembered that, so I need to write that down before I go to bed. But It's gonna be crazy this week. So anyway, I'm gonna get some sleep. I have to get up at 8:30 in the morning, go to church, and then work 1 to 5 tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some sleep. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night, guys. Peace out.